Okay guys, today I will share how we can speed optimization our WordPress website without any premium plugin. So we are working this website. By the way, this website is a real estate company and integrated MLS. MLS can help to showing all your listing, mortgage calculator, home evaluation or real estate data automatic. And here the listing we can integrate automatic all the listing coming from MLS. So yeah, we just go to the page speed fast, and here our website result. Now the website performance in a mobile version 35, which is quite low, and desktop version 64. So yeah, let's get started. So just go to Lift. It's a free version WordPress plugin, can help to optimize your WordPress website. Okay, so I just log in the website. If you don't have any account, you just sign in. And yeah, it needs to connect the website, so I just copy our WordPress website URL link and paste here, then continue. And here the two options, manually installing and already installed Lift. So we just download the plugin at first, then go to the WordPress website dashboard and add new plugin. Just we can upload the plugin and install. And it's automatically start the working, analyze the site. So I think you can see the timing is up. So yeah, we are back again, and I think you can see the WordPress site performance. Original site has the speed 40 plus, and now the site is speed 100. And go scroll down here, the page loading, comparison, page size, before 11.4 MB and now 9.7, and reduce 50%, and before 113 and now 68 the request count. And again go scroll down, and here the home page optimization. Okay, the previously 6.9 MB and now 6.7, and all the CSS is automatically optimization this plugin. Okay, so go scroll down, then already JavaScript optimization. Okay, so now we just go again Google Page Speed site and just analyze the button and give the few seconds to get the result. Now see what's the result. Oh, the site performance now 99, amazing, and the desktop version is 100, awesome. Okay, if this video can help you, just follow the channel. Thanks for watching this video.